Where's he go? What's going out? I found my eggs. What's my egg go? It's another egg. What's another egg? What's one more egg? What's one more egg? There's one more egg.
You're gonna have to look in a different area, honey.
Okay.
You gotta find your Easter basket too.
Daddy, hold me my eggs.
I'll hold your eggs.
Let's see what's 4 eggs. Let's see one more.
Melanie, they could be under things.
Under?
They could be under things.
Where's he go?
And they could be inside of things too.
Where's he go? Egg. Oh no, what's my...
Look under things, honey.
Look.
Melanie, look under the couch.
I see one. I see one. I found
Let's see it. Good job.
That's green. Where's my